you. Like I kept saying in previous press conferences, the strategy the opposition adopts also determines what you do. I have said in the previous games we played at the group stage, the opposition decided to just park the bus and play a low block. And that made it a bit difficult for us to be able to play the kind of football that people expected. The girls did the best they could. They still created chances, but those conversion of those chances were a problem. And we kept emphasizing that it is still work in progress. We're still looking at our areas of weakness, particularly opportunities at set pieces. We kept working on them and then finishing in front of goal. And today we are seeing the results. The girls have done well. We continue and we hope that they keep it up. We hope that they keep it up.